Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I guess he wanted to get around a truck. Welcome to California, everyone.
Became a local obsession.
People came out in droves looking for her, wondering where could she have gone. To not come home from work after doing something you do every single day, it left a huge mystery. What happened?
Carl even made a televised plea.
Good luck. Maybe go buy a lottery ticket. Why are SUV drivers always doing something idiotic? Anyone know which state this accident happened in? Yield doesn't mean stop, I guess. Stop signs seem to be tough for some people. I think he wanted to test his lifespan and see how many lives he has left.
A few moments later.
This rental car driver cuts through a solid line and almost collides with me. I know the area is called New England, but that doesn't mean we have to follow their traffic choices. I ran into one of those optional stop signs today. Is trailer jackknifing on the freeway even possible? I guess your hazard lights make it okay to run red lights. I guess the black car really needed to be somewhere. Even the pedestrian looked confused by what just happened. Oh! This idiot wanted to merge onto the highway. Let me know if you spot the idiot in this video. That's why it's important to pay attention to the lights. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.